Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Meizu M5s to an Android device. Firstly, go into App Store on Meizu and Play Store on an Android. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Following that, choose Open on both smartphones. On an Android, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and then allow. Now we need to wait for this one to download and open it. Over here, click at the bottom right corner and choose Done. Now you need to choose Send on Meizu and Receive on an Android. Following that, click on all of those type of dots and choose Send by tapping on this little arrow over here. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo, choose this arrow icon over here, and as you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and then tap on Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, then choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Then we wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!